Hello my friends, it's Chris here from the School of Embodiment, and today I'm in our local vineyard here in the Cotswolds. It's really beautiful. The leaves are starting to fall off these trees, if you call them trees, vines, and yeah, it's kind of a crisp, cold morning. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about how getting in touch with the body can connect you more deeply to nature. So when I first started out on this spiritual journey, whatever you want to call it, people were always talking about connecting to nature. I heard people saying that connecting to nature was a really amazing way in which you can connect with your own being. But I didn't really get anything out of nature. I used to go into nature and try, like, what are they talking about? How do I get something out of nature? How do I feel this piece of nature? I would go into nature and I'd kind of get a bit bored. I'd want to go back home and go back on my laptop or whatever. But the more I've gotten in touch with my body, the more I've connected with my body, the more I naturally feel nature. Because when you get in touch with your feelings, when you reconnect with your feelings, the emotions within the body, and you come out of that thinking mind, when you connect into your body and you come back into your body, you also deeply connect with the world around you. When you learn to deeply feel your feelings, when you become more sensitive to the sensation of your body, you become more able to sense the world around you. So nature is incredibly vibrant, and there is such a vibrancy in this vineyard. And the colours are so amazing. Like, I'm looking at these leaves now and they just I can feel the colours. They feel amazing. It's a little bit like when I was younger and I did MDMA a few times, and I remember walking out into nature and being like, what the hell? Like, this is amazing. And that's because when you take MDMA, naturally you come out of your mind. You are more connected with your heart. You are more connected with your being. And then you can sense nature again. So the more you do this healing work, the more nature becomes like you can taste it. You can savor it. You feel it coming into your body. You drink it into your body. You drink it into your being. And naturally you sink, without even trying to do anything, you sink deeper and deeper into this goodness. Now, when I set the camera up, I was going to talk about something else. Usually if I'm in the studio, I'll talk about overcoming emotions or overcoming this or going through certain challenges. So I set the camera up and I was going to talk about some challenges that people are facing and how to overcome it. But I just couldn't go there. I couldn't talk about it. The only thing I could talk about was my experience now, which is drinking in this nature. So my first recommendation, if you're not somebody who's used to going out into nature, is to go out into the woods. Don't take your phone, put it on airplane mode, whatever you need to do, and just sit. Sit for 10 minutes, half an hour, an hour. And the mind might go crazy, the mind might be trying to get something out of your experience, but let it do whatever it wants to do. Don't control your mind. Don't try and control your experience. Don't even try and control your emotions. And when you're in the forest, in this experiment that I'm giving you, don't even try and do any somatic healing. Just let yourself be exactly as you are, because nature is being. These trees, these vines around me are just being. They don't want anything out of life, and they can teach you how to be. They can show you how to be. You can drink in their beingness. Now we are beings as well, in the same way that these vines, these trees, whatever you call them, are beings. We are beings, but we're so not used to being. We're so conditioned into doing. So give it a go. See if you can feel the vibrancy of nature. And also, if you don't get anything from nature right now, don't worry. It'll come naturally in time through doing this work. It took me quite a few years of practicing this work, going from being in a state of real psychological, emotional hell, through meeting the feelings, feeling the feelings, doing all this work, and suddenly one day I was walking through the park, and it wasn't a big experience, but I just noticed, oh my God, I can feel myself within the grass. I can feel myself within the park. I feel deeply connected to it. There was this warmth, this holding feeling of being in nature. So the stillness of nature puts us in touch with our own stillness. And hopefully, through me bringing you out to this vineyard, you've gotten in touch with your own stillness as well. So I'll show you around. We're so lucky. We live in the Cotswolds, which is so beautiful.